Hello all, Marieke here. Today I'm going to show you how I made this clean and simple card using Sprinkling You with Love by My Favorite Things. If you are not interested in the coloring part, you can skip this video to 4 minutes and 36 seconds. There, the card making part will start. I hope you enjoy my video. I made this card for the current sketch challenge over at My Favorite Things. So after the coloring, I die cut the image using the matching dies. I will do all the die cutting in this video off camera. First off, I cut a smooth white rectangle, score it in the middle so it will end up being a top fold card base. I cut two smooth white panels just slightly smaller than the base card. I stamped them up using the city block background using VersaFine Onyx Black. I decided to make two, so if I would make an error during this card making progress, I could use the other one. And you know what? I did ended up using both of them. After stamping the background, I cleaned up my stamp using a baby wipe and afterwards my stamp chamois. I cleaned up my MISTI and put them away. You see me trying the image on the base card, but I figured it needed to be smaller. I removed half a centimeter from the base and the background so it would be just slightly smaller. The next step for my card is to cut up the stamped background panel in 4 different rectangles. So I'm measuring everything up so it will be in the right size. While cutting the strips, I made the error to flip over the last strip and cut the wrong side of the strip, so it would not match the background anymore. I only figured it out later in the progress. For my sentiment, I decided on a sentiment that comes in the Weather with You set. I heat set it on some black licorice cardstock and cut it into a smaller strip. After another round of measuring, I decided my card base was still too big, so I cut it down another centimeter. Because the height changed, I decided to use the second background I stamped just because that was easier. I'm all happy with the way my background looks, so I'm going to add the background panels onto the base card. I'm just using regular foam tape from the Action. It's like a dollar store in most countries. I'm adding the sentiment and the image on the base card. I decided that I wanted another layer on the sentiment, so I add another layer of foam. After that, I'm going to add some animal dots. I just want an animal dot for every color I use, so picking the right colors in all those animal dots is such a hard job. My card was all done. I hope you enjoyed my card making video. If you did enjoy watching this, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. For more details on this card, there is a link to my blog in the description below. Bye bye!